welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia
And
from
Gia from Jimmy Go 10.
And you might be asking, why are we shouting and so happy? And
Today
it's Tuesday. And
it's been 24 hours since Birdie was gone.
you know, why did you get happy or
Mhm.
sad? Because we might have a chance to find Birdie. Yeah!
Okay, so today we're going to ask our neighbor who works in vulcanizing in front of our house to know if he saw somebody who dropped by in front of our gate. Okay, so there's the gate over there. Modeling.
So who calls our neighbors?
You, of course. So here's the gate to everybody.
That was so good.
And so we're going to call Kuya McCoy over here because we can't go out. Yeah. Go! Tara, tawag lang.
Kuya McCoy!
Sige po, gamay.
Kuya McCoy!
Hindi ka nagasama.
Okay guys, I think Kuya McCoy didn't hear, so let's call him again. Kuya McCoy!
Tanan.
Kuya McCoy, nakita ka ng sikat galing stop by dito sa front sa mong gate?
Yes,
Tapos kung Sunday, malugar doon sa hapon.
Sunday sa food. Oh,
Punta dito sila sa nagbubuan ko eh.
one. Wala na bukas yung kay. Kasi mo gabi doon agad atong Sunday, last Sunday. Kasi kayo kabalon sa lang. Kaya nga naman day.
Nawala nang gusto ang bird guy. Kuya McCoy.
One, abin ako pasyente pa si Ma'am Papa.
Ay, wala.
One lang good. Ano ka na sila ka rin na? Ano na yung gate ba?
Wala kami pa si Ato.
Ang Andre Green nga nag-parking, na rin lang. Then nga ako gabay, ito siya na rin, nasa kita, ano. So, ano rin ko kabalon sa yung gitwat.
Wala kuya, kasi birthday ko ako kuya.
No, wala ako kabalon na, kay busy kayo may ito sa dito. Wala na ako kabalon sa night ako. Sa morat dito ako nakita rin.
Okay, then thank you sa inyo.
Bye.
My turn to speech. Okay. Okay, guys, we may have a chance to find Birdie if he's alive. Because there this one time that Birdie was here.
Watching outside.
You want the screen?
Yeah.
When we look for him, then sometimes Birdie responds to our calls, but when it's mom, he's like twat, twat, twat. And flew where to there to mama's and here and chirps on mama's ears because he wants food.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you where we left Birdie when he was. Ah! Stop fighting! So guys, Birdie, we left Birdie here. You can see the stuff, the what? Wait, is this the wow? No.
Clumsy Jillian.
Excuse me, not clumsy. So this is the food. This is the water. I got the drool. Birdie likes to play with this. And the bathtub. His little cute bathtub, which I stole from my sister. And the basket from I don't know where.
Like when you take a bath, you use this.
Yeah, because we actually have we're actually kids back then when we had that. So I don't consider that as a bus thing.
Bath thing.
Yeah. So guys, we left Birdie right over here. So Birdie he does flew away. But when we call him, he just come back to us.
Okay, so Maybe the baby bird flew towards the gate and maybe someone saw him and took Birdie because the person who took Birdie was probably thinking that Birdie doesn't have an owner.
Why did you come away? You're not our energy, bro. Wake up. I know we didn't have breakfast, but we need to say Birdie. You hear me? Birdie! So, you know, guys, look at that. The mother is still there if you can see it. I think you can't. It's against the light again.
Yeah, so that's the baby bird. It's me, Dian, talking. I mean the mama bird. Guys, she always stays there.
Not always, though. Not night.
It's always you, little Jillian.
Okay, guys, so my sister just left me alone. So we're going upstairs to, I'm going to show you the house of Birdie. Whoa! Oh my god. So that's where they live, on that big, very big tree. It's too sad that Birdie wasn't there because sometimes Birdie went there on that roof and sometimes on the
Branch.
you see that? But when we call him, he just comes back to us. So guys, this is all for now. See you later afternoon because we're going to make posters and post it not everywhere. Well, we're going to post it outside of our house. So if, oh look, you can see. Can you see that? Oh no, you can't. And we're going to put it outside of our house, only at our house, and to see if someone took him. And I wish they will return it back because we miss Birdie. We need Birdie. So we're going to post it outside there. And I hope the guy that took Birdie will return it because we actually really miss Birdie. Can't live without Birdie. Oh look, you see that? Okay guys, see you later. We're going to make posters. What am I doing?